Welcome back to another episode of Quarterback Kings Talk. Kings lose in overtime. Pity point. 4-3 over the New York Islanders. And coming into this game, I was very upset that we had it against New York and we blew. Granted, and there was no excuses for that. Against the Islanders, there was a little bit of excuse that some of you didn't play, like Fanberg for McDermott, and Kemper got the start in net over Quick because Quick played against his childhood favorite team and the New York Rangers. Video on that, which should be coming up next in your playlist if you're on it. So, New York, the Islanders have a lot of speed with Barzal, Tavares, Bailey, Lee. They're pretty offensive, and then they have Nick Leddy on the back end to anchor them. So, first period's going great, and then off the rush, Oscar Fantenberg, who's playing after sitting out the last 6 games as a healthy scratch. I like the fact that he's in, because he's a more offensive threat than McDermott. Not there's anything wrong with McDermott, but you want to change things up a bit. You want to see what works and what doesn't work. So Fenberg rips it past Thomas Greiss, a Swede, scoring on German. That's how hockey is all connected from other types of countries to play in America. Okay, where was I? Oh, right, Fenberg. Cool story. When he was getting interviewed in the first intermission, his grandfather flew all the way from Sweden, and Fenberg predicted that he would be crying when he scored because he knows how hard he has worked, and that's frankly how all hockey players' families are reacting whenever their kid scores either their first career goal or any goal, because they know how much work he had to do to reach to that point. So later on, Kings get a power play and wake up and smell the toffee because Tyler Toffoli has scored his 15th or 16th. On the broadcast, they said it was like he's one goal of his entire goal total from last year, which for last year it was a total fluke year from their stars. And hopefully he can continue knock on something. So and on that play, Darcy Kemper, our backup, got an assist on that. So I was pretty happy that the goaltender got some love. So later, I don't know who shot it on net for New York, but Bailey. Yes, Josh Bailey, he put a nasty tip in past Darcy, and they cut the lead with roughly 17 seconds left, I believe. But who knows? They'll cut the lead in half, go to first intermission, and 2-1 lead. And second period's nothing happens, and then it's still 2-1 at the end of 2. LA's in the lead. Then third period, I was a little pissed off when they called this. So Muzzin comes to get the puck. He elbows Kyle Clutterbuck in the face. If you look at the replay from the game time, because it's not going to be on either the Sportsnet's YouTube channel or the NHL's YouTube channel. It looks like a very bad call from the officials. I try not to criticize them, but Muzzin was going for the chest, and Clutterbuck just embellished with his head like a soccer player. No, internet, that's not what you think it is. So that led to a Isles power play, and roughly 20 seconds into that, John Tavares off a off a one-timer scores and makes it 2-2. And later on, teams were at even strength. New York Islanders defender shoots in front. Anders Lee, who was in front, picks it up and does this nifty little backhand flick to get it past Darcy Kemper, which is 3-2. And I'm like, oh boy, here we go again. So 20 seconds in, a minute and a half in, towards the end of the game, Kings pull the goaltender. You have these extra attacker on. You open things up a bit with a little scrum in the net, and 17 seconds remaining. Andre Kopitar, the Kopitar, bangs it in to the net, and we are tied 3-3. But wait, they're going to review it because it's customary to review things in the final minute. And New York wanted to challenge the offsides, and the offsides challenge is kind of a gray area because it's like, was his foot behind the puck or in front of the puck? It was like, is the puck over the line or behind the line when Doughty whacked it in? I thought, from my naked eye, it was completely normal. It was completely onside, which it did lead to the goal. But my theory with that is, if the offside happens and the other team retains possession, it should go away. It should not be a part of it. And it's just stupid. So, it's 3-3 heading to OT. Kings get a nifty chance right off the back. So when, I think an aisle whatchamacallit, he tripped on his own self. He left the puck available for Kopitar. He fails on the breakaway. Both teams got chances, and then Jordan Eberle, the former overpaid Edmonton Oiler, well, he's still a smidgy overpaid, but he does end it, and there was no doubt about that it was either onside or offside or any interference with the goaltender. So that was how the game ended, and it was a 4-3 win for the Islanders. So after the game, I thought the big guys stepped up when it needed to be, even though Jonathan Quick was not playing. So I like how we're getting secondary scoring, because I think Toffoli and Kopitar are primary guys, and then I believe Fanberg's a secondary guy because he's usually on the second or third pairing. Because you don't see him with Doughty that often. And Kemper made great saves when it needed to be. Islander fans, if I were you, I would be worried, sick of whoever's going to throw a large bridge truck of money at John Tavares this offseason. That's going to be a huge talking point this offseason. And you have a really good young kid in Matt Barzal. I believe he and I share the same birthday. Wikipedia him, or HockeyDB, however you want to look him up. Yeah, he's really fast in terms of skate speed and hand speed. It's like Brock Besser going even faster. And I'm just wondering, would this be a player that is like on the protected list? I know he's a rookie to be on the protected list. Like, I wonder if Anaheim's either Corey Perry or Ryan Getzlaff will get to him in his head, like during a regular season game, and just use their big brute veteran strength and like check him to the ground, and he'll not like it. But that's hockey. Who knows? That's it. We're done playing you for the rest of the year, Islanders, so you can wash that away. So next up, I believe, is the Philadelphia Flyers. I don't know if anyone's going to watch that, because that Monday is Kobe Bryant's jerseys retirement night. Mostly a lot of LA people are going to watch that. And But the Kings do start at 4, so I don't know if I'm gonna get that quickly because I'm doing this the night of the game, so who knows? Then that I'll probably do regular next day after upload and record, so who knows? Please donate. I still won't put up the link because I'm not gonna. I don't know where to find one, but please, LA residents, please donate to Ventura, depending on what they need and how they need it, or just help out. Just be a positive influence on those who are affected by all these fires. But I have family that was affected by the Ventura fire, and I try to be a positive influence on them. Not because we're family, but just because we're people, and people are supposed to be helping others. And that's it for this video. Like button, click if you like this video. Playlist should be going on right now when you watch this, but keep going through it. Watch the entire season so far and see how I'm discussing this team and see how I progressed as a crazy little video blogger. Hit subscribe to see more content like this. Turn on the little bell if you want to get notified via either your phone or via your phone notifications to know that I have put up a silly little informative video. And share with all your friends, spread the word, do its best. And I kind of want to wear this again, Kings. Win some games so December Santa hat can come back. So, thanks for watching, and we hope to get a W in Philly. Goodbye.